Burlington Special Olympians were recently honored with a rolling rally, courtesy of Al Fay's Fire Museum. Destined for Bedford Farms Ice Cream, the rolling rally hit the road. While enjoying their ice cream, guest reporter Michael took on interview duties.
What's your favorite part, the ice cream or the truck?
Fire truck.
This is best fire ice cream.
And what was your favorite, the ice cream or the truck?
Ice cream.
Today we're going to have ice cream. How we got here was the truck, the fire truck we went on. It's pretty cool, and I enjoyed it so far. And best day today. Enjoy the nice day. Might as well enjoy today.
We took the fire truck and we went to Bedford Farms.
And what was your favorite part, the ice cream or the truck?
The fire truck.
Well, we all got here by this fire truck, and honestly, it was a great ride. A lot of honking, people supporting us. That's honestly what I'd like to see from everyone showing up in the community, like stepping up, helping out everyone. That's the way it should be.
We're here at the ice cream place.
And what was your favorite, the ice cream or the truck?
The truck, I guess.
We used to be a softball team, but we own our own league now.
Oh, wow.
At the Y.
Okay, cool. And what was your favorite part today, the truck or the ice cream?
Both. Okay. Rolling rallies are my favorite thing in ice cream.
What was your favorite part about being on the truck?
Waving to the people on the street.
I like red trucks and the fire truck too. I like the Bruins and I like everything I like.
We're doing the ice cream social with the YMCA people, and Al Fay's having a good time driving the fire truck.
Rotary in Burlington, we sponsor the Special Olympics. It sounded like we had a lot of fun. I think I heard you yelling in the background there. Yeah. Everybody was there, But it was fun, and it's a lot of fun.
Between the ice cream and the rolling rally, it was a great day for all on hand. Special thanks to Al Fay's Fire Museum. I'm BNEWS reporter Tad Stefanak.